Today we are making the ultimate peri peri chicken. Tender chicken, as it sizzles in the pan, the exterior turns a delicious golden brown, while the spices melt together, creating a symphony of flavors. Let's get cooking. Start by adding a medium-sized chopped onion, 3 red chillies, 2 inches of chopped ginger, and 7 to 8 garlic cloves to a grinder jar. Then toss in some fresh mint and coriander leaves. Add 1 teaspoon of tomato paste and 10 soaked dry red chillies with 4 to 5 tablespoons of water. Sprinkle in a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and a teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. Squeeze in juice of half a lemon. Now grind everything into a smooth paste. Next, score your chicken. Transfer the ground chutney to a bowl. Pour in 3 tablespoons of olive oil and give it a good mix. Marinate the chicken with this chutney and let it sit for 1 hour. Heat a pan and pour in 3 tablespoons of oil, spreading it evenly. Place the whole chicken in the pan and cook on medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes on one side. Flip and cook on other side for 8 to 9 minutes. Now let's make a delicious sauce. In a bowl, take 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce, and 1 tablespoon of prepared chutney. Mix well. Brush this sauce all over the chicken and let it cook on low flame for 5 more minutes. And there you have it, our juicy, spicy and flavor-packed peri peri chicken. Serve it with your favorite vegetable sides or over a rice for a complete meal. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious dishes. See you next time. Happy cooking!